How's it going, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, talking today about how to take choline. Choline. So, choline is also known as vitamin J. It's a water-soluble vitamin that can be found most densely in the yolk of an egg. It can also be found in good amounts in a good grass-fed liver or liver supplement. It's usually grouped with the B vitamins. Choline bitartrate is the most common form that is supplemented with. It's used generally for liver health, methylation of stress hormones, and can help with digestion and cognition. It can be taken anytime throughout the day, but most people find that the best benefits are associated with taking it in the mornings. So choline bitartrate can be taken in doses ranging from 250 milligrams all the way up to 3 grams on a daily basis. However, if you're taking too much, you will usually begin to have an odd smell to you, almost like a fishy smell. So that simply means just bring the dose down a little bit. If you're taking 3 grams a day and you tend to smell a little bit, then you might want to bump it down to about 1 gram a day, and that should be plenty. But the supplement can be taken every day, and I highly recommend taking it when using any kind of nootropic supplement, because nootropics are generally cholinergic, meaning that they're going to run through acetylcholine a lot, and so by supplementing with a little extra choline is going to help alleviate things like headaches and stuff that are usually associated with nootropics. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with tons of content on how to use certain products and single ingredients and stuff like that. So please stay tuned, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Have a good one.